Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will help you fix a window on your GMC Sierra. First, diagnose the problem. Is it the motor, regulator, or switch? Next, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool, various screwdrivers, and the replacement part. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting your truck's battery before beginning any electrical work. This ensures no accidental power surges or short circuits occur during the repair. Now, let's get that door panel off. Start by locating and removing any screws, often hidden behind trim pieces or the door handle bezel. Use a trim removal tool to carefully pry off these covers and the main panel itself. Remember to disconnect all electrical connectors for your window switches and lights before fully removing the panel. Lift the panel straight up to clear the window channel.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful videos. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life much easier. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the door panel off, you'll see a plastic vapor barrier. Carefully peel this back to reveal the window's inner workings. Next, you'll need to unbolt the window glass from the regulator. It's crucial to secure the window in the fully up position using painter's tape or a wooden wedge. This prevents it from falling and breaking while you work on the regulator and motor. Now for the replacement. Unbolt and carefully remove the old window regulator and motor assembly. Install your new unit, making sure it's properly aligned and secured with all bolts. Reconnect the window glass to the new regulator, ensuring it sits correctly in its clamps. Before fully reassembling, reconnect the battery and test the window's up and down function to confirm everything works smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.